How do you use Pinterest marketing to grow your blog or business? What are the best tips I can offer you as a Pinterest manager? You will find out in this video. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and making more money online. So if you're interested in these topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. So first, I would like to introduce to you the Genius Blogger Toolkit, a bundle filled with resources for your business or your blog's growth that are worth over $6,000. But you can get all of these resources today for only $97. You can click the link in the description and find out what are all the resources included in this bundle. This bundle is only available for a little while longer, so make sure to get your hands on it while you can. I'm also a contributor to this year's bundle. All the contributors are entrepreneurs and bloggers that are making thousands per month with their business. If you get this year's bundle, you will also get my Pinterest templates and my Pinterest workbook included, again for only $97, along with many other resources. Make sure to check them out at the link below and decide if this bundle is for you to help you grow your business. Now, the best Pinterest marketing strategies that I can give you as a Pinterest manager, they don't only include your Pinterest account, but your established brand as well. That means that in order for your blog marketing or your business marketing to work on Pinterest, you will first need to work on establishing your brand or creating a great business model first. Optimize your website, design it professionally, and of course offer high quality products or services, as well as great customer support. Once your business is established, you are ready to start marketing on Pinterest. And the first thing you need to do is create your Pinterest account and turn it into a business one. Choose a name that is SEO optimized and a description as well. And in order to know what the best keywords that you can use on your Pinterest profile are, you can either use the Pinterest trends page and see what trends are popular now in your niche, or go to the Pinterest search bar, because after all, Pinterest is a search engine and what people are searching for matters, and type in a few keywords that describe your niche, and then get some more ideas of keywords that you can use from the keywords that are popping up. You can also search for keywords on Google or any other platforms that you want to market your business. After optimizing your Pinterest profile for SEO and for business in general, you will need to start creating your boards. And if you don't know how many boards, what types of boards, how to optimize them for SEO, how many pins to add in them, in this video right here I talk a lot more about that, and I talk more in depth, so you might want to watch that after this video. You can also use my Pinterest workbook for a better organization. In this workbook, I have included pages and checklists that will help you optimize your Pinterest profile, decide on what boards to create, decide on which group boards to join, how to use Tailwind, growth trackers, and much more. Again, this workbook is included in the bundle this year for the Genius Blogger Toolkit, so if you want to get it for only $97, check out the link below. Once your boards are all set up, you have some pins added, they're optimized for SEO, the titles and the description of the boards, you can start creating unique Pinterest graphics for your blog articles or your products and start adding them consistently to Pinterest. Now again, if you don't have the time to start creating your own templates, brand them, and anything else, my 65 plus Pinterest templates are again included in this year's bundle. So if you want to get them separately, you can do so by clicking the link below, but if you want to get them together with a bunch more resources for your business that are worth again over $6,000, and you can get them all for $97, you can click the link below. Now, creating and adding up to 3 pins per day and 1 idea pin per day will help you boost your visibility on Pinterest and bring more traffic to your website and more sales. Of course, each unique and individual pin needs to be optimized for SEO, needs to be added to the right board first, to the most relevant board first, and then scheduled with Tailwind and added to Tailwind communities. In the Pinterest series for beginners, a playlist that I've created that you can find right here, you can find videos on optimizing your boards for SEO, optimizing your pins correctly, daily tasks that you need to do to grow your Pinterest account, and basically everything you need to know about growing on Pinterest for absolute beginners. So make sure to check out that playlist if you want more tips for beginners at Pinterest. So this is how you boost your online visibility with Pinterest for your blog or your business. Again, don't forget to check out this year's Blogger's Toolkit. The bundle is linked down below, and it is one that you don't want to miss. Make sure to at least check out the resources before saying no to this amazing offer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one, but until then, you can also find me on social media on TikTok and on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess. Thank you again for being here, and I will see you next time.